Hey guys, I'm Dawn Del Russo, style expert. So statement necklaces have been a trend for a while. Well, now we're stacking the statement necklaces. We've seen it on the red carpet, in the streets, and on celebrities like Sarah Jessica Parker, Jennifer Aniston, and Kate Hudson. So what do I mean by stacking statement necklaces? Well, it's layering larger necklaces on top of each other. And I'm going to show you my rule of thumb of how to do it. Find 3 necklaces that all have similar colors. I like to start with the longer pieces first because it's easier to visually see it. We're going to layer that one first. So that comes down a little bit below the bust line. Then our next one is our really bold statement piece. It's this gold necklace, and you see there's gold links here, so there's gold in this, and they match. Put that on. And that sits nicely in the middle. And the last one is also gold. A little bit of a brushed gold. We're going to put that on, and that has the glitter, and that layers just on top of the third necklace. So this stacked look works because we mix the same color tones and 3 different pieces that are bold but different lengths and different styles. Everyone tends to have that fear that it's going to be too much. I'm going to put too many necklaces on. You don't have to worry about that here because when they're stacked together, it looks like you went out and bought just one necklace to look like this.